Welcome to this video on the API gateway pattern. In this series on distributed systems, we'll explore how API gateways act as a centralized entry point for microservices. This architectural pattern is fundamental to building scalable and secure microservice-based applications. Let's understand the problem that API gateways solve. When you have multiple clients like mobile apps and web browsers, they each need different endpoints and data formats. Managing cross-cutting concerns like authentication, logging, and rate limiting becomes increasingly complex when each service handles these independently. Additionally, allowing direct client access to individual services creates significant security risks and makes it harder to evolve your system. The API gateway pattern provides an elegant solution. It acts as a single entry point for all client requests, eliminating the need for clients to communicate directly with individual microservices. The gateway handles critical responsibilities, including authentication and authorization, intelligent request routing to the appropriate backend services, and rate limiting to prevent abuse. It also enables request and response transformation to meet client-specific needs. Here's how the architecture works. Clients, whether web browsers or mobile applications, send all their requests to the API gateway instead of directly to backend services. The gateway then intelligently routes these requests to the appropriate microservices, such as the authentication service, order service, or user service. This centralization provides a clear separation of concerns and a unified interface for all client interactions. The API gateway has four main responsibilities. First, authentication verifies that clients are who they claim to be before allowing access. Second, routing directs incoming requests to the correct microservice based on the request path or other criteria. Third, rate limiting prevents abuse by controlling how many requests a client can make within a specific time window. Fourth, transformation allows the gateway to modify requests and responses, such as converting between different data formats or aggregating data from multiple services. Let's look at a simple routing example. When a request comes in with the path /users, it gets routed to the user service running on port 3001. Requests to /orders go to the order service on port 3002. And requests to /payments are directed to the payment service on port 3003. This simple conditional logic allows the gateway to intelligently distribute traffic based on the request path. Here's how rate limiting works in practice. We define a limit of 100 requests per 60-second window. When a user makes a request, the gateway checks their current request count against this limit. If they exceed the limit, the gateway returns a 429 response code, meaning too many requests. Otherwise, the request counter is incremented and the request is routed to the appropriate service. This prevents any single client from overwhelming your system with excessive requests. The API gateway pattern offers three major benefits. Security is enhanced through a centralized authentication and authorization layer, meaning you only need to implement security logic once in the gateway rather than in every service. Performance improves through request caching, compression, and optimization at the gateway level. Flexibility increases because you can scale services, modify them, or even replace them without changing client code. Clients continue communicating with the same gateway endpoint regardless of backend changes. However, there are important challenges to consider. The API gateway becomes a single point of failure, meaning if it goes down, all clients lose access to your services. This requires high availability strategies like redundancy and failover mechanisms. Second, the gateway introduces an additional network hop, which adds latency to every request. Finally, the gateway logic can become complex over time as you add more features like authentication, logging, rate limiting, and request transformation. Managing this complexity requires careful design and code organization. Several proven API gateway solutions exist in the market. Kong is an open-source API gateway that provides plugins for authentication and rate limiting. Auth API Gateway is a managed service that handles API creation with built-in security and traffic throttling. NGINX is a high-performance reverse proxy and load balancer commonly used for request routing and gateway functionality. Traefik is a modern gateway specifically designed for microservices and container orchestration environments like Kubernetes. Each solution offers different features and trade-offs depending on your specific needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.